how to connect PayPal to Shopify. Hello everyone, welcome to the complete tutorials. In this video, you will learn how to connect PayPal to Shopify. Begin by accessing your Shopify dashboard. Locate the setting button situated in the bottom left corner of your dashboard. From the setting menu, navigate to Payments option. Within the Payments section, you will notice that the PayPal payment provider already exists. However, you may observe that the status is labeled as setup incomplete. To rectify this and establish the connection with your PayPal account, click on Manage option. At the top of the page, you will find the Complete Setup button. Click it to proceed. This action will open a new tab directly you to PayPal website. In this new tab, log in to your PayPal account. Once you have logged in, the PayPal method will be automatically activated in your Shopify store. That's it. You have successfully linked your PayPal account to your Shopify store. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to subscribe our channel for more useful tutorials.